I am super stoked because finally, a long time laundry situation for me is finally over. Back in a minute. Good morning. This is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. I love helping people keep some more of their own hard earned money, which is one reason why I'm making this specific video mention today. Recently, as you know, we had the holiday season, and lucky for me, I also have a birthday that occurs in the holiday season. And there were some very sweet well wishers. And many people ask me, well, what can I get you for your birthday? I'm like, no, 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 you don't have to get me anything, whatever. And they're like, no, I want to do something for you. And I'll always say, well, my favorite gift would be to send me an Amazon gift card. And I just tell them like straight, that's exactly what I like. So a few people were like more than happy to do that for me. And I thank them for it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. And I'm not the type of person because I'm a saver. I'm very very careful about any purchases I make. I make careful decisions. Now, why am I bringing up that? I'm bringing up that because I did accumulate enough to turn around and finally find a solution to my laundry problem. Well, what was your laundry problem in the first place, Jen? Well, as you know, I've always been sending my laundry outside. I'm not a fan of public laundry. Number one, literally to carry it up and down. Number two, to sit there and wait. Number three, the added expense. And it is expensive. It really adds up and it's a lot of work and you have to devote X number of hours a week. I don't have X number of hours a week. I prefer to be doing something more useful, more productive with my time. Okay. That's just me. Everybody's different. So I said, well, wait a minute. Maybe I could come to some sort of a happy medium. And then it occurred to me, about portable washing machines and stuff like that because I kept thinking old school of those big machines that are really better for houses, and not every landlord will permit like the big standard machines that people have been buying for years and years and years. And then one day I was listening to, excuse me, not listening to, viewing a video, and I'm sure a bunch of you guys watch Homestead Test. What an amazing lady, what an amazing channel. And every chance that I can get, I will, view some of her videos. And in fact, she had shown a portable washing machine on one of her videos. And I didn't get that brand, but proud to say that I ordered a similar product from Amazon with my gift card money. I said, well, I want to make, a good purchase here. I let my little gifts accumulate. Who might send 25, who might send 50, who might send whatever. And instead of being impulsive, just buying little things, I said, I'm just going to let it build up. So I let it build up to a certain number. And then I said, this is the one that I want to purchase. So I'm actually like, I had ordered it. It's, in the process of going to get delivered in a few days. And, once it arrives, I definitely will, probably take a little video and show you this model of this machine, when it comes in. But here's where the solution is. Now, these portable machine types, okay, what they do basically is it's a very simple process. And you'll hook up literally your hose to your sink faucet. And then basically you have a draining hose. You could drain it into a bucket. Or if you don't want to be bothered with the sink faucet, you could literally just fill up your little, I got like the dual one, meaning like it has like of course, the washing component, and the other side is a dryer, spin dry type thing. I also had purchased, and I'm expecting that any day, a dryer rack, because this unit where I am gets very, very hot. It's very hot. Things are dry in this place like in a matter of minutes. Now, because I was spending quite a number of money, of dollars, on those outside laundries, And of course, many times, most of the time, I would call it treating myself and having it sent out. Oh, somebody could do it, somebody could fold it. Yeah, but the money adds up. And with the way things are going, with certain other things, so what could I do to defray the cost of this? It's like playing a game of robbing Peter to pay Paul, but nobody's robbing anybody because this is an investment. So I'm looking at this portable washer and dryer as an investment. Now, do I recommend something like that for heavy duty loads? You can't do heavy duty loads if I understand correctly. But it would defray the cost. For example, maybe instead of me sending out my laundry once a month to an outside place, which includes a tip for X number of dollars a month, no, instead I could do this in the comfort of my own unit, which is really, really great. So I could be multitasking. I could be planning a video idea, sitting down, writing that down while that machine is running. And I'm super excited about that because I like anything that is efficient, that works for me. So who knows? Maybe I could eliminate it altogether, not even having to send it out that one time a month for the heavier things, like let's say blanket or big bath towels or anything like that. And by the way, I don't keep huge bath towels because the smaller the better, actually, because the bigger, bigger, and bigger, you're spending more and more money. It's like you're chasing after things. But that was on a separate video, that tip. I just thought that I would, pass this on to you. So, like, here's my suggestion for anyone that has one of those accounts where you can, get those e-gift cards. If people ask you, and I know people, ask, what do you want for this? What do you want for that? Or they surprise you. Once they really know, what you like, that you get to pick out, it's better sometimes than somebody else picking out the gift. You're saving them wear and tear. You're saving, especially with the email version, you're saving them even licking a stamp and mailing anything to you. You're saving the person that trouble. And you get to pick out what you want. I'm a big, really fan of this. And you could accumulate them. And then all of a sudden, you could eventually get a really decent purchase with those accumulated cards. So basically, I'm always a saver at heart, and that's what I did. And I hit my goal. I hit my goal with that specific number and then some, and I have some left, of course. But the idea being, this is something I'm super excited about, and I highly recommend that one entertains that thought. And also, just to let you know, for people that do not live in a house or whatever, they live in an apartment or a student in a dorm, here's where it's perfect for this type of unit. Okay, let's say a single person or even two. If you live in an apartment or you want an affordable alternative, some people have even mentioned in some of the reviews, some people have had pipes that have frozen in their house during the wintertime, and they have this thing as an alternative because they could fill up, the machine manually, and they could still do this. And people that live, in RVs, mobile homes, this is absolutely perfect. Absolutely, perfect solution. So, absolutely, I recommend it. I saw enough videos to believe in it, and various brands too. I have to say, from what I did see, all of these, the ones that I'm talking about, the double tub, the fill up tub with the water, the agitator, and the other one, with the spin drying component, they're all, in my opinion, and I'm no washing machine expert. So based on what I viewed, the basic premise is the same thing. An in drain, an out, I mean, an in inlet, to fill up your tub, an out drain to let your water escape, right? Uh, the choices of how long you want your agitation to go when you're filling up the, clothes and everything. How long do you want that wash to run? And then you also have a choice with the spin dry section, and also the sizes of these machines. Okay, very interesting. People, slide them into the little closet area. It doesn't even have to be, in front of your face all the time. So perfect for people who live in smaller spaces. Perfect for people that just want to wash a few garments at a time. There's a vast array, a vast choice, and a vast affordability level. Depends on your circumstances. Okay. So once I get the unit, I definitely, would like to make a short video to show you the actual unit that I got and let you know truly if I like it or not. But in the meantime, I just thought I'd pass on to you when you get those gift cards, save them. That's my opinion. Save, 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 because it is money. And if people ask you what you want and that's something you want, those gift cards, don't be shy. They're asking you. I'm just saying, just saying. I had like 6 or 7 different people in the last 2 months ask me, well, what would you like? What would you like? And I took the burden off of their shoulder and I told them. And that was it. I was honest. So I just thought I'd pass this on to you. Wish me luck. I hope that this little portable washer dryer duo thing works out. All right, everybody, have an amazing day. But you know what? I do ask a favor of you, and I really could use this. So please do this. So funny. I didn't even hear the sound effects on it. But you get the message. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. I have a goal for this year. I would love to hit 5,000 subscribers throughout any time period in this year, 2023. Let's hit the 5,000 mark. Hello, Jan. ah, all right, everybody. Have an amazing day. Take good care of yourself and your families too. Bye bye.